Opportunities you do not want to miss. I encourage you to watch this video from start to finish. Let's dive right in. The first role we're going to be talking about is with Home Depot, and it is titled Data Product Manager. This position is a good role in my opinion because of the requirements as well as the pay, the compensation. With this position, they're asking for 1 to 3 years of relevant work experience, also asking for just high school diploma, and that's pretty much it. So if you have 1 year of experience, you're eligible to apply, and there is no certification required. There is nothing else other than at least 1 year of work experience that is required, and the education requirement is high school diploma. With this position, you're going to be working with a lot of data. You're going to be reviewing documentation. You're going to be making sure policies and process documents that have been put in place are being enforced, especially with regards to different products that Home Depot carry. So that's really what this position is about. Again, you are going to be working from home. It's a fully remote role, and with Home Depot, whenever you are employed, you are provided with all the required equipment to perform that job. That is, computer will be provided to you, and all of that free equipment will be supplied to you to do this job. So that is how most Home Depot positions, that is how it goes, as long as you are hired full-time to work from home, which this position is. Based on my research, the average salary for a product manager with Home Depot is about $121,000. About $121,000 is the average salary for a product manager role, and this is a data product manager position. All right, we're going to move on to the next role, which is titled Senior Business Analyst. This is another very high paying position. This position, you are going to be working from home. The location is right here, and this position is with Sella. With this position, you're going to be working in collaboration between as well as the business. You're going to be gathering information, different business requirements, and communicating that over to the IT department so as to allow whatever the business needs are to be met. You're going to be making sure that different processes that are put in place are being followed. And again, with this position, one of the reasons I also like it is the fact that the education requirement is only high school diploma, and the experience, they're looking for 3 years of documenting business requirements, 3 years of being a business analyst. So as long as you've done these functions in some capacity, you are eligible to apply for this role. They're talking about experience gathering and documenting business requirements, experience documenting for functional spec documentation, creating story documentation, agile delivery, and so forth. So this is also, again, it's a fully remote position, and with Sella, they tend to provide free equipment as well to individuals that are hired to work from home full time. So that is for this position, and the salary, as you can see here, is between $45 and $50 per hour. That is the salary range, so about $45 to $50 per hour, that is the salary range, the compensation for this role, which translates to over 6 figures. So this is another very fantastic opportunity to think about. Rite Aid also has an analyst role, so it's PMO analyst. They are looking for an analyst. This position is going to be providing analytical support, tracking, validation of different business process improvements, working to ensure that rebranding of Rite Aid, strategies that are being put in place to allow for better products, implementation, and so forth. So this individual is going to really be working very closely with the project manager leader to ensure that all business functions, data points, and are being communicated on time, and also are being translated into efficient trends that can be put in place. So this particular role, you're going to be creating reports, you're going to be setting trends, you're going to be communicating that to leadership. That is really what this position is. And based on this position, they are looking for someone that has specialization in finance, pharmacy, engineering, IT, and so forth. For this one, they are looking for a bachelor's degree. Also, they do ask for analytics, someone with experience in analytics, Excel, skill set, Tableau, Google, and so forth. So if you have all of those knowledge, definitely encourage you to highlight them in your resume. So 3 years in CPG, pharmacy, retail, consulting, etc. And this particular role, the salary is between $66,000 and $88,000 per year. Again, between $66,000 and $88,000 per year is the salary. Another position that is also a good one to think about is clinical systems administrator. These are for my IT individuals, my IT subscribers, or IT experts. With this role, you are really going to be providing support to the data and letter management department. So with health insurance, we all receive letters in the mails from our health insurance companies. So this individual is going to really be focusing on that area of the organization to make sure that the integrity of those letters are great, to ensure that mistakes, errors are caught on time, escalated issues resolved real time, corrections are made as quickly as possible, tracking errors, and also almost collaborating with other areas of the organization to come up with a strategic plan that can ensure that systems are working the way they are supposed to, and members are receiving their letters in a timely manner, and any of those type of hiccups or issues are fixed as quickly as possible. So that's what this individual is going to be doing. They're asking for this individual to have a bachelor's degree. That's preferred. Even RN is also another preference they have on here. However, even if you don't have that, you can still go ahead and submit your application, because with this, they just need you to have case management or utilization management type of experience. So that is really all they're asking for. Once you're ready, you just hit apply now, and it should take you through the step-by-step process. But this is another fully remote work from home role. The last opportunity I have is Gifts and Records Administrator. This is with University of Pennsylvania. So they're looking for a Gifts and Records Administrator. This position is a good role because of the requirements, and I say that because they are attainable. They are only asking for high school diploma and 3 years in any type of experience, really, because 3 to 5 years in related function or equivalent combination of education and experience. If you have a bachelor's degree and you don't have experience, you can potentially get this job easily. If you don't have a bachelor's degree and you have a high school diploma, then the 3 years becomes very, very relevant. Otherwise, if you don't have that, you can do a combination to get to a place that you are eligible to apply. It's telephonic, and it's a hybrid role, which means that you get to work from home certain days and go to the office for certain days. So that is what this position is. The salary range is between $17 and $21 per hour is the salary range for this role. Again, $17 to $21 per hour. That is the salary range for this particular role. Again, this position, they are only just asking you to be able to work with different databases. Is it more of a data entry role? However, it also has a telephonic component to it. All right, so those are the roles, guys. I hope you find them helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you've not subscribed already. If you're watching me for the first time, hit the subscribe button, and so that you can continue to get juicy content like this. So come back, leave comments, let me know how you guys are doing. If there are any particular roles you're looking for that you're interested in, I want to help out, please let me know. Again, thank you guys so much for continuing to watch this video and sharing them with your loved ones. Till next time, best of luck to you. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.